इज मेटलर्जी? हाँ भाई, हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? हिंदी भी याद रहनी चाहिए। मेटल मीन्स धातु, ठीक है। और मेटलर्जी को हम बोलते हैं धातुकार। इन हिंदी इट इज नोन एज धातुकार, मेटलर्जी। व्हाट इज मेटलर्जी? Now tell me, what is one of the important property of the metals which makes them good conductors of electricity? They have the tendency to lose electrons, right? So what happens? They can lose the electrons or outermost from the outermost orbit easily. It means they have combining capacity. The metals have the combining capacity. The metals are not found in free state. They are found in the form of compounds, or you can say they are found in combined state, ठीक है ना? ये तो यहीं पे आएगा मिनरल और, ठीक है। And some of the metals they are found in free state, you can say they are known as, in the last a few days back I told you, they are known as noble metals, like gold, silver, right? They do not react easily, ठीक है। Here. So metallurgy, right? So what is metallurgy? Extracting of some student, they are not from science background, suppose they have read science up to only class 10. How will you explain them? The easy language. और अच्छा वो करें. If I say this definition was there in one of the competitions, right? Metallurgy, right? Metallurgy is ... It is the art of getting a metal in its pure form. Easy definition, right? So the easier definition is that the art of getting a metal in its pure form, right? It means the metals are, what does it mean? The metals are not found in pure form, they are found in combined state. Okay, this you have to remember in mind, that the metals, they are found in combined state, right? They are found in combined state. ठीक है, right हो गया. तो what is here the stressing phrase is the art of getting a metal, right? It means various steps are needed to get a metal in the pure form, right? So that is the process related to metallurgy. They are known as metallurgical. So it is clear. So from this sentence, what conclusions you draw or what inferences you draw? That metals are found in combined state, right? The metals are found in combined state. Suppose we talk about iron. Do we get iron in the pure form? Rusting होती है उसमें. It means it is making a compound. ठीक है, compound means highly reactive. Metals have the capacity to lose electrons. They lose electrons and some other substance, it gains the electrons. In this way, compound formation takes place. They form the compound. Now second term related to it is, ठीक है, इसको हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं, ये भी पढ़ा होगा. This you must have read in geography. Minerals. Right? So what are minerals? What are minerals? What are mineral? If I say pure substance, one word is pure substance. What is contradicting word for against it? Compound or अच्छा word, better word in place of compound. बिल्कुल सही बोल, राइट राइट. सो व्हाट इज मिनरल? It is a mixture, right, out of which we get a metal, right? या इस वर्ड को भी मत लिखो, ठीक है, नो नीड ऑफ राइटिंग दिस वर्ड ऑल्सो. ठीक है, दिस आई हैव रिटन, राइट. सो व्हाट आर मिनरल्स? It is a mixture, right, out of which metals can be obtained, or they contain metals, right? It means the minerals, they contain metals, right? What is an ore then? Now next term is ore. Next term is ore. ठीक है, ore को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? अयस्क. ठीक है, every ore is an example of mineral, but every mineral is not an ore. What does it mean? Or out of this, what conclusion you will draw? Ore is that mineral out of which we get a metal and there is profit. Profit हो रहा है. It means that mineral which contains large quantity of the metal. ठीक है. So what is ore? A mineral. Out of which a metal can be obtained profitably. ठीक है, जहां पर प्रॉफिट हो रहा हो. Right? So when we talk of metals, they are found in combined state. Can you name some of the combined states? Some metals are found as carbonates. Some metals are found as sulfides. Okay? Some are found as oxides. Okay? So simply a few names I am writing here. Metal, it's ore. Right? If I say iron, right? Which ore contains iron? One is magnetite. Magnetite. Other is ठीक है. MA है या देख लेना इसको, ठीक है ना. हेमेटाइट, राइट, हेमेटाइट है. हाँ, HEAMA ऐसे करके कुछ है ना, हेमेटाइट. Second is aluminium. Aluminium, right? It is bauxite. Bauxite, right? It is nothing but oxide of iron, you can say. एक और लिख देता हूं मैं, lead. क्या करना, लेड क्या करना, तो ये 3-4 याद रखो, बाकी और ठीक है. कॉपर पायराइट, कॉपर पायराइट, जहां भी सल्फर होगा कॉपर पायराइट, जिंक पायराइट एज पायराइट्स, ठीक है. सो इट इज क्लियर, राइट. सो इट इज ऑक्साइड ओर, ठीक है. दिस दे आर ऑल्सो ऑक्साइड ओर्स. Right. So, what is the main difference between minerals and ores? क्या चीज? What is the main difference between minerals and ores? Ores, they contain more quantity of metal, you can say. ठीक है ना, ये था. और we get a profit, ठीक है. We get a profit when we talk about ores, you can say. ore से profit होता है, we get the metal in large quantity. Now metallurgical operations or steps, you can say. What is the first step when we talk about metallurgy? Picking. That is one type of that process. What is the first process or first step known as? हाँ भाई, कोई और बच्चा बताओ. The first step, it is known as, the first step in metallurgy, it is known as that process is known as concentration, right? That process is known as concentration. What are the different methods of concentration? When we talk of iron ore, which concentration method is used? Which concentration process is used for iron ore? Magnet, आगे word बोलो, magnetic separation, right? One of the process related to concentration, one of the methods, it is known as magnetic separation. Magnetic separation, right? For iron ores, which process is needed in concentration? Which process is used? Magnetic separation. When we talk of sulfide ores, then which concentration process is used? उसमें भाई झाग बनता है. This question has been asked in UPSC.